What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to give you 6 different things that you're doing that are wasting your time and killing your productivity. So if you're ready, let's get started.
Nerf this!
So speaking of wasting time, I'm not going to do that. Let's jump right into number 1. Number 1 is that you are waiting for inspiration. You are waiting for a knight in shining armor or some video like this one to motivate you, to get you to do stuff that you're putting off. So if this can help you in any way, turn this video off right now and go do that thing that you're putting off. Go do what you're supposed to do. So stop wasting your time, turn this video off, stop waiting for Tony Robbins or Andy Frisella or someone else to come along and inspire you. Be your own inspiration. Alright, so that's number 1, guys. So today one of my good friends is getting married. He is basically the first one out of our friends group to get married, so congratulations to you, man. I'm so happy for you. I can't wait to celebrate your love tonight. But first, I gotta go to the gym, and when I get there, I'll give you the second thing that you're doing that's wasting your time. So let's go. Just roll into the gym. Second thing that you're doing that's wasting your time and killing your productivity is complaining. We spend so much time as a society complaining about our situation, the challenges we're facing, why she's better than me, or why I'm not as good as him. If you just quit, there's like a freaking fly in my car. That's like a hybrid fly. It looks like a wasp with a stinger on it. It's been in my car since yesterday. I left the window open a crack, so I hoping it'd fly out, not killing it, trying to be a humane person, and it's still here. It's about to die. I'm about to end its life. Where was I? Oh yeah. If you take the same energy that you're using to complain and put that towards doing something that will further you towards, that'll move you closer to your goal, that'll be so effective for you. Here's an exercise I want you to try. Try to consciously think about when you're complaining and recognize it. And when you recognize it, do the exact opposite. Instead of complaining about your situation or your challenge that's in front of you, stop and ask yourself, what's one thing I can do to overcome this challenge? Or what's one thing I can do to better this situation? Or how can I use this situation to my advantage? So do that, stop complaining. That's gonna move you closer to your goal. All right, so let me get this sweat in and I will catch up with you after. Workout complete. I gotta go shower and change and all that jazz and start getting ready to head down to Providence for my boy's wedding. Man, I'm tired. That was such a good workout sesh. Catch up with you back at the house. All right, so out of the shower, obviously in a different attire than the gym. I have to go to the store and pick up a card and stuff for the wedding, so I'm gonna do that while Lily finishes getting ready, and then I'll come back, throw my formal wear on. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Let's go to the store. Got the card. We're good. I hope they like it. I'm excited for them. You know, it's always nice to see, you know, a celebration of love. So, very excited for them. But I thought now would be a good time as any to give you my third tip on what is wasting your time and killing your productivity. So number 3 is to stop comparing yourself to others. Going back to my last point about if you complain that he has it better than me or she has it better than, you know, you, that's just creating an unneeded excuse for yourself in life. So what you need to do is just throw those away, because yes, there's gonna be people that are better off than you naturally through life. Lucky sperm, you know, if you were born into the Kardashian family, hey, that's pure luck, you know what I mean? But on the other hand, you have someone like Elon Musk or Bill Gates or anyone else who's built nothing from the ground up, Walt Disney, J.K. Rowling, people who have gone broke in their path to success and achieving their goals. So there's really no excuse. So your story is unique to you. So use that to your advantage. Use your story, your uniqueness, yourself to your advantage. Your path to your final destination is gonna be different. And I don't care if you were born with $1 billion in your bank account or if you were born with nothing, you can do it. All right, so stop comparing yourself. All that's gonna do is make you feel bad about yourself and feel like you're not where you're supposed to be. And I am guilty of this because I look at, you know, people that I idolize or people that influence me, and I'm like, damn, like, I keep like telling myself, man, if I had started earlier, if I had started when they started, man, I'd be up there. No, that's not the case. Yes, did they start earlier than me? Yes. Do they put out fantastic content? Yes, but so do I believe. So really, when you stop comparing yourself to others is when the playing field's leveled. So stop comparing yourself. It's only gonna bring you down. All right? You can do it. Doesn't matter your situation. Anyone can do it. Now, let me get back home and throw on this formal wear. Let's go. So that's what I'm wearing right now. I got a nice blue tie with the navy pants, sock game, you know it's proper. Brown shoes, brown belt, accessorized with a watch, just a regular white shirt, classic, can never go wrong with that. So that's what I'm wearing to this wedding. Lily's doing her nails right now, and then we're gonna hit the road. Let me give you the fourth thing of what you're doing, which is wasting your time and killing your productivity, and that is trying to be a perfectionist. Now, take this tie as an example. So you see how the back of the tie jets out just a little bit? I just have to keep fixing it every now and again. And if I try to retie this tie like 13 times, it would look like crap. And it would hinder us from getting to the wedding on time. So it's more important to take action and then figure it out in a way instead of trying to make everything perfect before you get started with something. So stop wasting your time. Stop trying to be perfect all the time. Yes, do you want to get better every time? Of course. But more importantly, you want to actually start and stop wasting your time trying to get everything right. If you wait for everything to be perfect, you'll be waiting for the rest of your life. So that's number 4, guys. Let me get some water, and then we're gonna hit the road as soon as Lily's done. So congratulations to Nathan and Victoria on your marriage. I'm so happy for you guys. Many years of happiness and joy to you all. We're gonna head over to the reception right now, and on the way there I'll give you the... Alright, so we've stopped off in a parking lot, and I thought now would be a good time to give you guys the next reason why you're wasting your time and hindering your productivity. And that is, you're trying to please everybody. And I am guilty of this. I try to please everyone I come into contact with. It's just my nature, because I want to make people happy. I want them to be happy because I'm happy. And you just have to accept the fact that some people just aren't going to gel with you. Some people aren't going to vibe with you. It is what it is. Everyone's not going to be a fan of you for whatever reason. It could be the way you style your hair. It could be you wear a beard instead of shaving your face. It could be you didn't wear a blazer to the wedding, you dipshit. Why not? Everyone else did. Some people just aren't going to, you know, gel with you. And you're just going to have to accept that. So focus on the people that love you, that support you, that have been there from the get-go.
Me.
And, you know, make them a priority. And those other people that, you know, you're trying to win over, I mean, hey, just do you, and the rest will take care of itself. I promise you that. So now we're gonna head over to the reception, and when we get there, I'll give you the 6th and final reason why you're wasting your time or hindering your productivity. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna give you the 6th and final thing that you're doing that's killing your productivity and wasting your time because I'm probably not gonna film at the reception, in all honesty. So let's give it to you now. And the sixth and final tip, guys, is to stop watching so much TV. I am a believer in balance, but too much of anything is a bad thing. So there is an unhealthy balance. So if you're binge watching Netflix every single day, every single night, and not focusing on things that you should be doing, like for me, it's filming these videos. And again, you know, we all fall into it. Sometimes I'm guilty of 3 or 4 days in a row just sitting around just watching TV or even playing video games or doing something that's totally unproductive. And again, it's not a bad thing if you do it every once in a while, but everything in moderation. So stop watching so much damn TV.
Stop watching Ghost Adventures and eating jalapeno chips before bed.
Yeah, look, hold up. We're gonna take a break right now. Just look how beautiful this woman is. Look at how gorgeous she is.
Like this video if you want a makeup tutorial.
Yeah.
Self-promote.
Yeah. I'm gonna link her channel down in the description box like I always do. So make sure you go check her out. But this is where I'm gonna end the video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed everything that I went over. If you need a refresher, it'll be all right in between me and Lily right here. And I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. So turn the notification bell on. If you're new here, consider subscribing. And I do release bonus videos at random, so make sure you have that bell on so you don't miss them. Alrighty, thanks so much for watching, guys. I will catch you next time. See ya.